Guys, after a rain, it is just so magical to see what God's rain can come down and do and just make everything and explode. Everything just turns green from the lightning and thunder, all the nitrogen and the rain coming down from the sky. It's just beautiful. And it's just amazing to see everything just literally just, you come out here the next day and everything's just so happy. And you can tell that it's smiling at you. I'm not kidding. I can see it. Can't you? Everything has grown exponentially just overnight from some beautiful rain that was very, very much needed. The beans, look at this. They've got all their tendrils going, climbing on everything. They're doing really good. I had to come down and put them back on the fence because some of them kind of got knocked down. But look at this little guy. We're going to help him. Go on, reach, buddy, reach. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome green sauce because everything is green. Look at that, just standing. Love it.